How are you doing, guys? Welcome to our channel once again. Realize Guyana, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing a recipe for cassava ball. Yummy cassava ball, as you guys know, with mango sour, of course, which we have already on this channel. You can check that video out as well. We're going to be using an easy batter for that. So you can either use this easy batter, or you can use the oval batter that we have for the egg ball that we have, which you mix with the flour and so on. So the ingredients on the left here, guys, is we have the cassava there, some broadleaf thyme, garlic, pepper, roasted ground geera, salt. That's going to be for the cassava. And on the right, we have some scallions, broadleaf thyme as well, garlic, pepper, flour, and some food coloring, which is going to be the ingredients for our coating, which is going to be, as I said, a simple watery coating. So those are our ingredients, guys. So yeah, let's get started with this cassava ball. I'm feeling peckish already, so let's get started. So here's our water heating up to boil our cassava already. So we're gonna go get the cassava ready. So I love cassava, guys. Cassava you can make so much dishes with. I like these boiled and fried as well. Yummy, yummy, with some salt fish. Here's how the cassava looks like. Now we're gonna start peeling these. Anyway, you've never had cassava before, this is how you peel it. And if you've never had this before, guys, cassava ball is yummy, very nice, very tasty, good snack. We used to get this at school too, in the schoolyard. Cassava ball, potato ball, palauri. So that's it here. So you have this brown outer skin, and there's a pink skin inside. So both of them you're removing at the same time. See here? See, there's a brown skin and there's a pink one on there. So you have to remove both of those. So we are done peeling them, and we're just gonna cut them in half like this here before we put them into boil. We're gonna boil faster that way, right? So now you have to remove. You can remove the stem inside before. There's a stem in the center of the cassava, so which has to be removed. You can either remove them now, or you can remove them after they boil. Whatever suits you. So we're done cleaning our cassava, so we're gonna wash it now and put it in our pot to boil. So we're gonna add some salt to boil our cassava with. So we're gonna let this boil, and then we're gonna continue once it's finished boiling. Our cassava is boiling away. Alright, so we're gonna strain our cassava now. Finish boiling. Look at all those goodness. Yum. So when you want to let your cassava drain really well, because it's your mixture is gonna be too sappy or wet. You don't want that. So you want it to drain properly. So leave it for a while in your strainer like we're doing here now. So we're gonna pound our garlic and so on in our mortar for our cassava ball. The garlic, the broadleaf thyme, pepper. Scallions as well here. So our cassava is drained very well, so now we're gonna go mash this. So we are switching basins, guys. This one is better shaped for mashing. So we're gonna use our potato masher to mash with. And we're gonna use our enamel cup. You know, that's the old time thing that was solely used to mash this. Nobody had a potato masher. But you can still use your potato masher at the beginning and use the enamel cup at the end to get it really mashed well and smooth. So now for our enamel cup. and that's gonna really smooth it out. That's doing such a good job. One old enamel cup, huh? Alright, that looks like it's ready. So first we're gonna add some salt or cassava, some black pepper, a little bit, roasted ground geera, and our pounded scallions and garlic and so on. So this set here is for the cassava, and this one that we did here, and this one we did here, this one is for the coating. So everything is in there now for our cassava. We're gonna mix it well, mash it in together. So you already know this is gonna be one yummy, soft, delicious cassava ball, right? So that's it there, guys. That's done. The cup did a fantastic job. So right now you can taste your mixture, guys, and see if it needs anything else. You can adjust your seasonings, but this is fine. We tasted a bit of this. So that's some cooking oil we're adding into our bowl. So a good idea is to apply some oil to your hands, to the palm of your hands before you roll these, so to avoid it from sticking, like that. And then you start making out your balls. There you go. So our cassava balls are all rolled out, my friends. So at this size that we made them, we got about 24 balls from those two cassava that we use. So you can gauge how many you want to make, and gauge how much cassava you should be using. So it's time to make the mixture for our coating, guys, and that's our flour, all-purpose flour. And we're gonna add the seasoning we blended. And that was the scallion, the garlic, and the broadleaf thyme. Some salt. And this is our coloring. So just add a little bit coloring, mix it up and see what. You add a bit of water, of course. So add a bit more water. Alright, so this is ready. So we're gonna now heat up our oil. So add enough so enough so you can fry. So about that much. Alright, so our oil is hot, my friends. And we've got our stuff ready, so we're gonna start frying now. Alright, so look at that, guys. So guys, here's our finished cassava ball, looking all yummy. So we have some mango sour to go with this. As you all know, the most popular thing to go with this is mango sour. And that's it guys. These are delicious, as I said before. Real delicious cassava balls. So we're gonna cut one of these and let you see what's happening inside there. See how soft that is? Look at that. So that's it for this recipe guys. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.